Hello, welcome to my project. My name is Guillermo Olivas and I'm a student at UNLV for my engineering class 292 with Dr. Bushkin Castro. For this project, I use my Arduino board and I also got a L298N some motor. It just helps you, I forget the name, but it helps you control two motors with one Arduino. So for example, I have one wheel here, that's a 12-volt motor, and there's the other one on the other side. Each one is plugged, one's plugged here, the other one is plugged in the other side. And then I have the inputs put into my Arduino board. The pins over here. It's gonna be 11, 10, 9, 8, and 6 and 5. Those help me control the motors. I also have attached a joystick here. It just helps me move it, control it in the X direction and the Y. Those are plugged to analog not and analog 1. The names are kind of faded by now. Also, I have a little 9-volt plugged into my Arduino so I can control it. I use a 18-volt drill battery that I have available at home to power my project. I have another video where I play with it. Well, I can kind of show you now and just find a way to kind of hold all of these. Actually, you know what? I'll show it to you in another video. This is my code. It starts with the frequency. I actually saw a video of somebody doing this. You kind of have to plug these values here to see which one works best. I plugged all of them. The one that my project worked best was for the first one. So the frequency is 31,250. It's just kind of where everything's plugged. Some comments about what goes where and which pin. This is the joystick configuration. It's just more about my pin modes, what you're supposed to do. More about how to control the motor X and motor Y, motor 1, motor 2 with the joystick. 255 gives the maximum value of voltage available. And that's pretty much it. I'm still gonna download the Fitzvik schematic so I can submit my project. Here it is. But you guys don't have to see this downloading part. I'll send you the complete part. This is my project.